Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix keyboard lag on your PC. So you can see right now my PC has a fairly average keyboard latency like this, right? But if you do have problems with your keyboard, if you have a physical keyboard like a one you plug into your PC, you could just try plugging it in and then replugging it again. Or if it's pretty dirty or it's been a while since you've cleaned it, try cleaning it and clean out the contacts. It could help. But if you have a laptop that has the keyboard attached to the laptop, you might need to go to a technician. But before doing that, I'm going to show you something that could help. Go to the search bar down here and then go to device manager. Now on device manager here, search for the keyboard section. So on the keyboard section here, there'll be all of your keyboard listed here, right? Now find the keyboard you're using, press on right click, and then click on update driver. Or if you're suspicious something might have happened, you can also click on scan for hardware changes. But the point is, if you click on update driver, it might help and it might speed up your keyboard latency time like this, so it doesn't lag anymore. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.